For one, you will never know what you cannot do until you decide to yourself to do it. Marami tayong mga bagay na hindi natin kayang gawin. Marami tayong mga bagay na hindi natin alam gawin. But, if you decide to yourself that you gonna try to do it, you will find time to search, you will find time to study, you will find time to learn. Malalaman mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo kaya dati, na kaya mo pala gawin. Like, kung hindi ka marunong mag-drawing, but if you find time to search how to draw, if you study how to draw, kaya mo, pwede mo gawin. So, if you allow yourself to take off your fear and allow yourself to do something na hindi mo pa ginagawa, marami kang matututunan, marami kang ma-experience, marami tayong kayang gawin. Your gift that God given to you, when you develop that, your gift is an open gate of opportunity and put you to the right place wherein you will never know, you will never imagine the outcome when you develop the gift that God given to you. So, paano mo malalaman yung gift na yun? Well, you decide. It is in your hands. What gift that you have, just decide and try. Yes, sa umpisa nakakatakot. Sa umpisa, kapag hindi mo alam yung bagay, nakakatakot. Pero kapag sinubukan mong gawin, along the way, along the journey of doing that, you will learn and develop yourself more. At dun mo ma-realize na, kaya ko pala. Pwede pala. Gusto mo, andun pala yung mindset mo na, kaya mo pala yung opportunity na yun na gawin. So, don't let your fear hindrance you for doing something. Develop your gift and just try. You will never know what you can do unless you try. Thank you everyone, and God bless.